Vinted versus Depop. Which marketplace is better? Choosing the right marketplace can completely change how you buy and sell secondhand fashion without the hassle of complicated fees or slow sales. Vinted and Depop offer unique experiences for different users. Vinted and Depop are two popular online marketplaces focused on secondhand clothing and accessories. The core difference lies in their community and selling approach. Vinted emphasizes simplicity and buyer protection, while Depop focuses on creative sellers and trend-driven items. Vinted is a user-friendly platform designed for buying and selling secondhand clothes, shoes, and accessories. It works by allowing users to list items for free with no selling fees, making it attractive for casual sellers. Buyers benefit from integrated buyer protection covering items that don't arrive or aren't as described. The app features straightforward browsing and filtering options to find exactly what you need. Vinted's strengths include its low cost of entry, strong community moderation, and easy-to-use interface. However, it has limited options for international shipping and fewer features for creative sellers wanting to build a brand. Vinted is ideal for users looking for a simple, cost-effective way to declutter or shop for affordable fashion without focusing on niche or trendy items. Depop is a vibrant marketplace that blends social media with shopping, targeting younger, fashion-forward users. Sellers create personalized shops and can build followings, making it ideal for independent creators and vintage enthusiasts. Depop charges a 10% fee on sales, which supports its community features and payment processing. The platform encourages creativity with options to showcase styled photos and connect directly with buyers. Strengths include a strong global audience, trend-driven listings, and a dynamic social feed. On the downside, fees can add up and competition is high, which may delay sales for newcomers. Depop works best for sellers who want to establish a brand or connect with a fashion-conscious audience, and for buyers seeking unique curated pieces rather than mainstream secondhand items. Comparing Vinted and Depop reveals clear trade-offs. Vinted offers a straightforward, no-fee selling experience with buyer protection suited for casual sellers and bargain hunters. It's perfect for those who want a hassle-free platform without extra costs. Depop, by contrast, emphasizes community, creativity, and trendiness, with higher fees but more tools to build a following and brand identity. If you're selling everyday items or decluttering, Vinted is more practical. But if you're focused on fashion trends, unique finds, or growing a creative shop, Depop offers greater exposure and engagement. Both platforms support mobile apps and easy listing, but your choice depends on whether you prioritize simplicity and savings or social interaction and style. Choose Vinted if you want a simple, cost-effective marketplace with strong buyer protection and no selling fees, ideal for casual sellers and everyday fashion shoppers. Opt for Depop if you're a creative seller or buyer looking for trend-driven, unique fashion with social features to build a following. Both platforms excel in different ways, so pick the one that best fits your selling style and shopping preferences.